Modern workflows combine numerous interconnected apps, yet current AI assistants only operate within their own app ecosystems.
At Spurhacks, we built Conductor, the first AI orchestration platform that can see and execute across all your platforms simultaneously.
Conductor offers intelligent yet intuitive avatars that can handle almost anything, from sending text messages to making phone calls, to sending Slack messages and making Notion plans. Conductor does your busy work so that you can focus on doing your best work.
So here you'll find our main workflow engine. You can see on the left here that you can create a new workflow. You'll be directed to our other screen of our application, where you'll see our AI agent, which is animated in Three.js, which uses Rhubarb for real-time lip syncing. Now, this AI agent has access to a retrieval augmented generation system for contextual responses to enterprises and users. It also has computer vision using OpenCV and the ability to recognize facial expressions from users, allowing it to give more relevant and contextual responses.
In this example use case, I'm going to be a hiring manager trying to onboard a student named Daniel for the fall co-op. Firstly, we can upload his resume over here. And over here, we have the interface where we can actually talk to the avatar. Hi, I'm trying to onboard a student for the fall co-op term named Daniel. We're going to see our transcription there, then we send it off, and we're going to see that Conductor starts thinking. Over here, it builds out a workflow of what it's going to do in order to complete our task.
Daniel's co-op onboarding workflow. This includes his offer email, follow-up call.
So we see the first step here is an email, and on my Gmail it is currently empty, no new messages. Additionally, before we send it off, we can confirm our information, edit anything we want here, including the auto-generated email. So once we hit execute, you can watch my screen and the notification should pop up any second now, right there, Conductor AI. Nextly, it wants to conduct a follow-up call. So let's run this. Right there, we see we get that call. I'll put on speaker so you could hear.
This is your name from company. I wanted to follow up on it.
Right there. Next step is going to be create the onboarding document, onboarding doc, and publishes it to my Notion. Here we could see it even uses different formats in order to make it very organized and easy to understand. Lastly, sending a Slack message to the team to give an update. I also want to show that there are no new messages here, but the second I hit run, right there, we can see it populate and send the message to the whole team.
And you can see all of the error logs are going to be in here in the terminal. And this is a very easy to use interface where users can easily duplicate, edit, complete, delete, and reorganize any of their tasks. You can even add on new tasks and custom tasks yourself, like adding on a Slack task after all of this onboarding process is finished. Conductor has a sophisticated and robust distributed system. The user interacts with two front end, one built using Vite and React for the avatar, and the other one in Next.js for the workflow orchestrator. Essentially, for the avatar, it runs on its own backend and its own RAG service, which means that it has accurate responses and relevant responses for users and enterprises. On the workflow side, we have a huge API gateway connected to many different API microservices,